Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Shaurya. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to use multiple feature option in iOS or iPads. So this is my iPad 6th generation and I'm going to tell you how to use multiple screen feature. So this is Safari, a similar kind of Chrome in Android phones. And this is an iBook in which we have all the stuff of novels and all PDF files. So to enable multiple screen option or how to use multiple screen option, press and hold this iBooks option. And for example, if you want to multiple screen with Safari, so press this icon Safari. So now the Google will open and drag right to the screen and make it a multiple screen. So in this way, for example, this is a novel, Meluha. So you can access this novel also, or you can search anything here also. For example, if you want to search for similar this novel only, Immortals of Meluha. So in this way, we can multiple screen in iPads. We can use this option. The another best feature in iPads is this: we can scan a QR code with the use of camera only. We don't need to download any extra app for this. For example, this is camera and I want to scan this QR code. So simply bring this and it will scan this QR code. You can also search for this QR code, web search, and it will directly search for a web. So these two are the hidden features in iPads which you all usually don't know. So these are all the small tricks and tips for iPads. That's all in this video. Please give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.